this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see the RAM on your Samsung phone. So RAM is important in terms of just operating your device and all the different processes. If you don't have enough, your phone is going to be slow. So go to the top right and go to Settings, scroll on down, go to Device Care, tap it right here, and then we can go on down to Memory. And then we can just check our memory under here. So we can see how much is being used, 2.8 gigabytes out of 4 gigabytes. So my phone is probably going to be running a little bit slow. I'd say you want at least 8 gigabytes for a smooth functioning phone, because then all these apps aren't going to be using up all the memory in the background, causing delays. Now, one thing that you can do is going down, we have RAM Plus. Turn on RAM Plus and make sure you have the maximum amount of RAM available to you. So this is going to be using your storage on your phone to add additional RAM, basically. So if RAM is $100 per gigabyte, you want to use RAM Plus so you can actually save some money. So just look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.